Hey, what's up guys? So finally after the One UI 6.1.1 update, now there is another update available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today in this video we'll check out that what's new with this new update, and hopefully all the bugs and issues that were there with the One UI 6.1 will be resolved. To update it, you just have to go to your settings and then software update, and then you have to click on download and install, and from here you will get to see this new update of 1st October 2024 security patch. And talking about what's new, so this software update includes device stability improvements, new or enhanced features, and further improvements to the performance. The previous update on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was this One UI 6.1 with the One UI 6.1.1 features of Galaxy A.I. The update size is 4 to 1. You just have to click on download and the download will begin depending on your internet speed. I will quickly fast forward this part of the download process, and after the download is once done, users have to click on install now and the installation process will begin. But make sure your device is completely free at the installation process, as you will not be able to use your device while the installation process. As you can see over here, the device is now restarting and it might take a while, so you have to wait patiently over here, as One UI will optimize the apps and it will restart your device automatically once it is done. And finally the update is installed, and as you can see the phone is now starting, and you will get to see a pop-up of your phone has been updated once the update is installed completely. And I feel smoother animations after this update, as my phone was laggy after the new One UI 6.1 update. As you can see, my device is on the latest version of the October 1st 2024 security patch. So you can check out this update, as this update will fix all the bugs and issues that were there before on the One UI 6.1 update. Also, if you want to get an early access of the One UI 7 widgets or the One UI 7 clock application, so you can check out the video mentioned in the description for that, or I can make a new dedicated video for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as well. Do let me know in the comment section, as this new clock application also brings in some new widgets as well that are really awesome. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update that is available for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that you can check out. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.